The committee in this Assembly term has had an important role to play in collecting information from the industry and in scrutinising Welsh Government. The priorities in the next Assembly, for the next Assembly term, should be, firstly, to consider the implementation of the Common Agricultural Policy in Wales, looking at both Pillar 1 and Pillar 2. If the decision is taken to remain in Europe, then we need to look at what policies we need in Wales for the Common Agricultural Policy post-2020. If the decision is taken to leave, then we need to consider what policies the Welsh Government need to put in place to support agriculture in Wales through domestic policy. Bovine TB continues to be the greatest threat affecting the cattle herd in Wales. We need to look at the robustness of the current Welsh Government TB eradication policy and what measures need to be put in place to eradicate this disease from both the cattle and the wildlife populations. Farmers own and manage over 80% of the land area in Wales. At the moment, there's a huge amount of environmental legislation affecting the agricultural industry. We need to consider the proportionateness of this approach and look to see whether a voluntary approach with government and industry working together in partnership could deliver better outcomes rather than continuing to add additional regulation to the industry. We very much appreciate the work of this committee and we look forward to working with the successor committee following the National Assembly elections in May.